Okay, live. Let's see. Welcome back. Thank you very much. It's been a minute. Alright, so GJ bar ideas. Yeah, definitely paid off staying out. Breaking previous 30-minute lows here, hourly flipping bearish, doesn't look good. So let's focus on gold. Let's see how these impulse entries play out. We are moving down here.
GJ is like the second born child.
What?
Yeah. I'm assuming you're firstborn, yeah.
I'm firstborn.
Do you have siblings, eh?
Yeah, I got 3 little sisters.
Like some con?
It's mad.
Yeah. I thought you were only child for some other reason.
As I get older, I'm gonna start to mix up their names.
No.
What happened? You thought you were tripping? No, the stream crashed, man. I hope it doesn't happen again. We've got sell stops here on gold, but I'm back. So let's do this thing.
Yeah, no, these cells are looking solid here.
Only news we have this morning is NPC member speaking at 11 o'clock, which may have some little effect on GJ here. Other than that, not too much going on, excuse me. You know, Shaker gave me some tips for the algorithm.
Yeah.
Like just 1 or 2 things that I changed in the video description and I think the title.
Yeah.
And it's mad. I mean, today there were 100 people on here before it crashed. And then last week there were 200 people on here. I don't see how it could be anything else but those few tweaks.
Yeah.
Because something kicked up with the algorithm.
I mean, last week, Friday, you got 2,200 viewers. I mean, that was ridiculous. Eh?
It's mad.
Like at the end of the video. So that's absolutely crazy.
If there's 200 people on here today, I'm telling people to leave. I'm not taking a O in front of 200 people. Not today.
Yes. Yeah, Friday was rough enough. Eh?
But it was really nice that the analysis and everything played out. In hindsight, stop loss could have been placed a little bit better. That stop loss was not the safest placement, but what I didn't realize, I think buy stops were taken on the break of this bullish candle here. I was using previous 15-minute stops, something to that effect. and it came so close to my stop loss. So I was just managing risk as it came down. 30-minute closed bearish. Oh yeah, that's about right. But looking at that stop, 23 pips is not that bad. I should have actually had stops below this previous bullish candle for 37 pips. Since targets here were actually like 70 pips. So 1 to 2. Like I say, stop loss could have been in a safer area for sure. I didn't even measure that candle. I thought that range would be too big for stop loss, but it's not too bad. What's up?
I'll speak now. The garbage truck just pitched up, so it's gonna make one hell of a noise there.
Okay.
Oh yeah.
We didn't lose, we only learned. Yeah, I definitely sat back on Friday and took some notes for GJ, because GJ does this too often, man. And if you're looking right now, it's doing it again, where we had this closure above resistance, okay, and then we broke that high. At that point, you know, that's part of the setups that I take, but was a little bit more patient here, waiting for a steeper bottom wick. And we've come down, broken previous 30-minute lows. But if we look on the lower time frames, it looks like we're already moving back up. So if you had got triggered in on the break of previous 30-minute highs using previous 30-minute stops, you would feel how I felt on Friday. So at this point, I would rather use previous hourly stops. Obviously, risk to reward goes down, but you know, higher probability trades, very important. I would rather take a 1-to-1 where I know, okay, direction is clear here. Gives me options to manage risk as well, because if we do come back down and break this 30-minute low now, you know, I could close half there. Looking at this, buy stops on the break of this current candle high do not look too bad. 166.510. Gonna have a very aggressive break-even point here. Buy stops at 166.510. So as soon as we break that previous 15-minute high, we'll get triggered in here on GJ. I'm going to use previous 30-minute stops at this point because we've already done the GJ nonsense of creating that steeper bottom wick. So at this point, I'm not expecting us to come back down and break this current candle low. In fact, I'll put stops below this area right here. For 32, 33 pips. Targets here are just shy of 50 pips. Gold coming down here. I would rather delete GJ and keep gold in. I've got both in for now. I'm more likely to delete GJ. Bro, is 6% return that I'm getting good? Over how long of a time period? Exactly what FFF Trader asks. 6% over the course of a year? I suppose you'd be better off putting your money into like a mutual fund. But 6% in a day, you're probably over risking. 6% in a week, yeah, that is a pretty good week. A month, also not too bad. You had a profitable month. That's really good. But just starting, okay, well then you need to give it more time. You need to give it more time. Just as the Fed said about CPI, 1 month's worth of data is not really sufficient. So okay, you had one profitable month, but how about the next 6 months? How about the next 12 months? But Black Chat says, you know, you're not going to get 6% anywhere else. And if you compound that over a period of time, over a period of years, 6% a month is actually quite impressive. And
Con, Wayne asked earlier, sorry to interrupt, he asked, have you ever linked your trading account to TradingView? Is it worth it?
oh no, I've never here. And you?
I haven't. As far as I'm aware, there's extra costs involved. Like the spread is a lot higher, the commissions are bigger, but I could be wrong. That's just what I've heard.
Oh, okay.
I use it purely for analysis and to show trades where I've taken them and everything because it looks so much cleaner.
Yeah. Deleting these GJ buy stops. Just focusing on the gold sells. Buy stops deleted on GJ. Alright, your 15-minute candle came back down, flipped bearish. Hourly candles closing shortly.
I hope to compound it. For now, I'm going to follow the ICT 6% strategy consistently, risking 30 pips or 20 pip, not too good, but I guess it's fine. I don't really know what to make of it.
Also,
ICT. You'll leave it there.
I can't trade. Fuck. Anyway.
Are you guys from South Africa?
Yeah, we are.
You're from the south of Africa, according to Chad.
From where am I supposed to get millions? Yeah, Shaker, tell me.
When you find out, will you let us know?
Lekker, Stefan. Haven't you been on here before, Stefan?
Hey, Stefanus.
That's Jared's joke, Chad. That I can't trade. But it really resonated with me, man. I like it. Thought it was pretty funny. Fuck.
It just came out of nowhere. Like, I actually don't have anything against him. I'm just, you know.
Yeah, it was Friday, you were on a roll, eh?
Yeah, yes. Kept me busy, you know. Stefan's first time here. Welcome, man. Lucky to have some more South Africans in the chat.
Yeah, welcome, bro.
Yeah, man. Can you Afrikaans?
Jared, don't even try.
Or asking Stefan now if he's Afrikaans. I think that answers itself.
Surely. Yeah, I'm just gonna stop at lekker, eh? It's enough Afrikaans for me for the day.
Yeah, but we have to sing, when Nico pops into chat, we have to sing him happy birthday in Afrikaans. I wonder if he's watching.
Wait. I was about to try and say happy birthday in Afrikaans. What is it? Gelukkig verjaarsdag. Fuck. Nep.
Ons geluk, lieve Mikey, want jy verjaar.
Forgive me, Oaks. Forgive me, seriously.
Yeah. According to Charlize Berg, the Afrikaans are endangered.
I was right though. I just pronounced it really badly.
Yeah.
The Afrikaans are endangered.
Yeah. They're up there with the Khoisan.
Oh god.
Me, GJ is gonna go into a short sell.
What? You know, YouTube is so rude, man. I wake up to emails every day. Copyright claim, copyright claim. I just got one for the 12th of July.
That's ridiculous, yeah. Charlize Theron says there's only 44 people in South Africa speaking Afrikaans. That's correct. Just heard a fifth person speak Afrikaans with Connor. She clearly has not been in South Africa much.
Yeah, no, listen. Lots of people speak Afrikaans still. Yeah, you go to like PE. Okay, I haven't really been to Bloemfontein. Obviously there it's probably thick. But
Dude,
PE, there's a lot of people in PE who speak it. In East London, not so. What? Not so much. Cape Town, I don't know, seems to be more English.
Yeah, Potch and Pretoria are like the main two. Yeah, Pretoria, everybody speaks it. Leon Schuster movies are awesome. Dude, I still remember going when I was a kid and watching Mr. Bones, dude. Yeah. Hey, look who's on the call, eh?
Is he here?
Yeah.
Okay.
Feels geluk, lieve Mikey, want jy verjaar.
Okay.
Ja.
Sorry.
Yeah, it's okay.
Oh god,
Yeah,
that
yeah.
is bad.
Yeah, can we edit that out?
No, 60 people already heard you. Anyone here own a music label? Own a sound, Jared? Going once, going twice.
You just have to buy me lunch and I'll be sold there.
Jared, do you know how to put the sound shit off of your MetaTrader app on the laptop?
On laptop? Yeah. Tell you in a second. You mean the like noises and shit?
Like everything. I
Okay.
like mute it all.
Let me quickly. I think it was actually we did it in.
Yeah, neither
settings
have I,
on your
David.
laptop. I'll tell you now. He did it in settings.
Wayne, I have a question, bro. With your handicap, what do you play? Like, what's your average score on 9 holes or 18 holes? Do you like play over or under? I want that cock gone. Did you hear it?
Yeah.
What is that?
That's MetaTrader on the laptop. Like, I just opened it now, and then it makes that noise when you just open it. That's me taking trade.
That like boing.
Yeah, full. That boing is full margin. That's what happens. You hear the boing.
No, dude, that thing just like goes off whenever.
No, yeah, but that's the shit. What your phone used to do it, remember? And then you put it off on your phone.
Oh, is it that sound?
It's the same cock noise, bro.
No, but MetaTrader trips because it does that noise like randomly.
Oh, mine on my phone stopped, dog. So there must be somewhere.
Oh, Nico, I'm gonna have to have a look a little bit later. I'm not exactly sure.
Fucking
You-
useless.
It's one of those things you do once and you never do again.
I
You know what I
know.
mean?
I know. No, don't worry. I know you helped me last time with setting this shit up in the beginning. I remember.
Guys, I'm coming now. Give me a minute.
Where's settings though on this fucking thing, bro?
On
Like,
laptop. On MetaTrader.
On MetaTrader, because I'll just see properties and shit, but I'm not seeing settings. Charge to... Isn't there anyone in chat that knows how to put off the notification sounds or any type of sounds on MetaTrader on the laptop?
Let me quickly YouTube it. And then surely that'll give me a good idea. Oh, Chad just popped in, so telling you.
Oh, wait, I'm listening, Shaker.
Give me 1 second. Your voice is too loud. In MetaTrader?
Yes, in MetaTrader.
1 second. In the top left corner, you see tools, right? In MetaTrader.
Tools.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Go to options in there.
Yeah.
Then notifications. Then just uncheck the enable push notifications. It will remove all the notifications.
Just say that again.
If you want for events, just uncheck the events. I mean, whenever you connect, you'll get some annoying sound, right?
It's the events, because notification was off. Jared, you go
Yeah.
to tools, on the top, and then options.
Options, then events, disable
Yeah.
everything.
Got
It's
it.
the events that's making the fucking noise, bro, because... Thank you, Shaker.
Hey, what's up,
Oh,
Shaker?
Shaker.
No problem, bro.
Absolute legend.
You want... Shaker figured it out.
Shaker's like our technician.
Dude,
Honestly.
he's taking my job, Yes. Here.
Shaker, you got Employee of the Month, bro. What's up, Chad?
Oh.
Yeah, one of these days we have to get Shaker Google gift card.
GJ looks kind of funky, but if we come up and break these highs again, I feel like we're gonna move up. Not really a trade I wouldn't take.
Wait, mine answered me.
Do I still have a course? I do. I need to get the site back up. I'm looking to have it back up by the beginning of December. End of November.
Thank you, Chad. Appreciate the wish, dude.
Guys, can we get a happy birthday spam for Nico?
Yes, yes.
Come on, happy birthday spam. Let's go.
I think you should all put it in your native language.
Like, I always like the people that fucking you take worth to Spur that you don't want them to tell the Spur waiter that it's your fucking birthday because then you just whole wish.
Nobody goes to Spur on their birthday without wanting to get something to. They all act hard, dude. But when those waiters come clapping and there's ice cream,
No, it's free ice cream, bro. I'll take it, but I don't want to have the whole fucking village singing for me before I get it. Just bring it to the concert.
Yeah, did you know you like it? That's how you go to Spur on your birthday.
Yes, I didn't go to Spur. I haven't been to Spur for like fuck. God, no, we must actually go to Spur, bro. You know that. I haven't been to Spur for like.
I also haven't been there in years.
For years, bro. I haven't been to Spur.
You guys have to go to there.
Look at that. Happy birthday, Pa. Nico.
Happy birthday, Pa. Happy beer day.
Happy beer day. You said beer. I don't drink beer. But I know.
But someone here is getting old. Ooh. Wait, how old is Wayne in comparison to Nico?
I think just a few years older than me. Or no, same age. No, I don't fucking know, bro. I don't.
And Chad said, yo, don't even want to say that just in case it's says something crazy.
Are you telling me you can read that?
Utana Roju Shubakaha Shalua.
Oh god, that's horrifically.
That's better than your Afrikaans.
Yeah, he's gonna tell you that's perfectly pronounced.
That's better than your Afrikaans.
You guys are just hating.
That's happy birthday in my language. Chad, please just come in here and say it for us so that I can just see how terribly wrong Jared was.
Nah, dude, I was spot on, dude. Chad coached me. He said he came on while you guys weren't here, and then he told me how to say it.
Bro, that is a fucking happy birthday, my man. That is a long word. How do you... I'm listening.
Okay, chat. Just looking left here on GJ, we had this key level at 166,300. Alright. We've come back down, retested this area. We have created a support here on the hourly. That previous candle closed doji, so basically not too much happened. 15 minutes formed a support here on this previous key area, 166,300. Like I said, daily, weekly, we bullish. So anticipating this to be the bottom wick for the weekly candle. I do want to be taking buys on the break of these highs. Stops below previous hourly. For 26 pips. Or let's call it 30 pips. Same trade idea. Gonna be quite aggressive with the break even here. So 510. How long do I recommend you play around on demo before moving to a funded? Until you've developed some sort of consistency. You want to see some consistency on a demo. You know, maybe like 3 months of consistent trading. It's difficult for me to say since I never did that personally. But don't throw away money when you don't even have a consistent strategy. So develop some sort of consistency, some strategy or plan, and execute on that plan on a demo until you see consistent results, and then move to a live account. Once you move to a live account, there will be new challenges, new psychological challenges when you start to work with real funds. But that's part of the game, and you'll just have to
Adapt.
adapt. But if you can build discipline on a demo and try your best to carry that through to a live account, you know, that's your best bet. But if you're still doing cuck on a demo and you take it to a live account, you will lose money.
Jared? Oh no,
Yeah.
wait, I'll just... how much do you need to play par on a normal golf course? You know?
Doesn't
So
it vary?
Yeah, it works out hole to hole. So, like for instance, you get a par 3, a par 4, par 5.
When you monkeys, bro. Never mind. Wayne, how much do you need to play par on 9 holes? Because you were speaking about 81. So what? How much is 9 over? So is what? Is it 72 for?
72.
Yeah. Oh well. So a non-handicap means you're playing 9 over. So 8 handicap, 8 over, 7 over, like that. Is that how it works? Or is there a bigger difference? Like a 7 handicap will play like 2 over. So if a non-handicap handicap is playing 81, let's say a 5 handicap will be playing 5 less than that, or 4. If you're non-handicap. So what? A 2 handicap is playing what? Like par, basically. Oh, is that how it works? Oh. Alright. Hey Connor, we're not that cock, bro.
Wait,
We
what
can't.
now?
We cock, but we're not that cock, dude.
I thought we played pretty well yesterday. I was tough
No,
for myself.
No, yeah, we played pretty decent, but like, obviously if there was someone like Wayne there, would have got whooped. But
Chad says focus on trading, birthday boy.
no, my friend, me
Man
trading
got
is not
golf clubs for his birthday. He's focused on golf today.
I was about to say that. No, I was about to say I didn't clean my new golf clubs. What did you play? No, we don't talk about what we played, alright, Wayne? We're just talking here. Don't ask what we played.
I'll say what I played, just keeping in mind that it was my first time
on
playing,
the course.
yeah, first time playing on the course basically. So it was just 9 holes, all par 3s, and
27.
what is my score?
Mashi.
49. That was like Mashi golf. 49.
So you played 22 over.
Obviously fucking way over par, but yeah, I don't think I did too badly. I only lost 1 ball. 1.
Yeah, but Connor, like, they might not understand because that, like, our Mashi golf is shit compared to other Mashi golf. Like, it's so, like, that grass is far too long, bro. Like, you can't have a fairway
it's mad.
the size of my pinky toe, the thickness of my pinky toe, and then the next to it fucking grass that long, and they just cut the course too. It's not nice. Really.
No, if you lose your, like, if your ball goes into the rough, there's a chance you lose it.
He showed me, Chad. He almost got whooped for that.
Everyone starts somewhere. What do you mean, Wayne? I think I started quite well. Shit.
Nah, you guys are trash. Nah, I'm just joking. Comment like,
come
nah, I didn't play too badly. I only lost one ball. Like, that's a measurement to golf. Like,
bro, come play there where we play. I promise you, the good oaks will lose balls, bro. It's not that fresh. I'm telling you now. But
I'm sure there's some good oaks who have lost balls. I saw some nice balls yesterday.
you know, you can take them, eh?
Yeah, we did. They were hiding in the grass. No one would have ever found them.
No. So you're in the grass quite a bit, Con.
No.
Every time you went into the grass and you found a ball, was it your ball? Is what I want to know. Okay, or did you just find a ball and be like, I haven't lost one because I got one?
No, Jared. I only lost one ball, okay?
Okay, I'll leave it at that. I'll take your word for it. Sure. Okay.
Nah, I wasn't too bad.
Wayne, I was literally in Eagle Canyon yesterday. I didn't go play golf, but I was there yesterday.
What do I think about gold? Alright, your new hourly candle came up, created a nice steep top wick, retesting that previous hourly resistance as well. Looks like we may flip bearish. If we come down and get triggered in here, previous hourly stops don't look too bad for 32 pips. Previous 4 hour is only like 5 more pips, 4 or 5 more pips. So I think I'll use previous 4 hour stops here for gold. So my stop loss will be 37 pips. GJ, stops are 32 pips here, break even point about 19 pips away. $166,700.
Hey, Con, what's your GJ bar stop, bro? Is it 510 on broker as well?
Yeah, 505.
I mean, looks
Con,
like
have you got both orders in gold and GJ?
Yeah, I do.
Okay, jeez. So if both get triggered in 2 live trades.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, jeez. Do you just want to recap? Well, I'll just recap. GJ is coming up to our buy stop at 166.510. We are going to have a break-even point at, what was it called?
136,700.
700.
Giving us 20 pips. And so sells on gold are currently coming down to 1743.
Yeah, sell stop on gold, break of previous 4 hour lows, stop loss on previous 4 hour highs. So sell stop 43,925 here on TradingView. Stop loss will be 1747,700.
Chad says full risk on GJ and gold. You have to go half risk on both of them, so only 50% of your account per trade. New trades coming up. Can't go full risk on both.
I'm going full risk on both.
Bad influence. You just have to get some pips for Nico's birthday.
Have to.
Yeah, have to.
Well, let me enter 100 lot, move the market.
Thank you. Would appreciate that. We just need like 20 pips on both, so maybe
You wanna
200.
go up? You wanna go up or down? Which way? Must I sell it or buy it?
Yes.
Yes.
So I'll sell. So I'll sell it so it can go up. Okay. Well. So I'm going short on a long.
Very close to getting triggered in here on GJ. Looks like we just about broke those highs, but I've accounted for spread and I'm not in just yet.
Oh, Connor, actually, this is the sell stop I phoned you about that just never hasn't been triggered in just yet.
Yeah.
Still.
Yeah, we spoke about it this morning already.
Yeah. I thought that thing's getting in at 8 and we're going to miss it. Oh, well, at 7 and we're going to miss it.
Thing is, with the new 4-hour candle close, I think it works quite nicely for stream because we see that top wick being created on the new 4-hour, and then it gives us a bit more of a chance to get in for those impulse entries based on a 4-hour.
Wait. How does it work when you lose a ball, bro? So let's say I tee off and I lose the ball, and now I have to tee off again. Am I teeing off for 3 or for 2? For 3. Yeah. You see, Connor, this is what I told you, bro. Yesterday was different because Carl and Chad didn't want to play. Well, I think it was Carl said he didn't want to play the way Dylan plays with this the right way.
Yeah.
That's why we've also played a little bit better. The numbers were better. So it is about, like, you can add like 4 to 5.
Oh, fuck.
If you lost 1, you can only just add 1. That's it. You only lost 1
it
ball.
was only 1, actually.
Oh, so that's fine. So you just played 50, not 49. That's all it is.
Yeah. Oh, Black Eagle.
I'm so bored.
Ban golf. We traders, you can't ban golf.
What do you mean, my friend? That's our hobby. Don't be rude, Chad. Just because you in a place where it's just for old people, it's not our problem. Go play with those old people, bro. You might learn some stuff. You might get educated by those old men that play golf. Goes and plays golf's fun, like India's richest trader playing golf.
I was about to say, you might actually like come across some business opportunities. It's good for networking as well. You might see your ex's dad.
Yes, that's
awkward.
Oh, fuck you. I forgot.
Yeah.
When you stand in chat, bro. And then, you know. I'm really well educated. How old is Shaker? Is he like 13 or
He's
something?
17.
Yo,
Okay.
I like you.
Guys, I'm in here. GJ, bar stops have been activated. God, about 32 pip stops here. My stop is at 166,180.
I'm in as well.
Break even point 166,700. May potentially go break even a little bit sooner. Targets.
Thought Shaker was 16.
Target's going to be up here at 167,350 final targets. I think Shaker's like your age, 20. Oh, he's 24.
No, I was just teasing. I think you should put him in timeout because he called you a kiddo.
As long as he doesn't say that I need my Cerelac. Would be ideal to get to break even here on GJ before we get triggered in on gold.
You see, if we're talking about golf, that's why we got triggered in, man. It's working for us. They're cutting grass close to me, okay, Connor? So if you can hear it, you must just tell me.
Okay, cool.
Wayne, you wanna hear a funny story? Yesterday, the first 2 holes. But remember, it's Masha Golf, so it's par 3s. The first 2 holes, I was on 13 on the first 2. Okay, firstly, the first tee like to tee off there, there's the whole bar's watching you, so I'll get nervous and then I'll fuck it up. So yeah, and the second one, yeah, I just fucked it up. But the fact is, I still won after being 13 on the first 2.
And Chad was in chat. Chad Akin, he was in chat just earlier. He got a eagle or bogey on hole 1.
Yeah, bro. Well, fuck.
What is it? Birdie. That's it.
Well, that man with all that pressure landed next to the hole, my friend. That was a shot and a half. Fuck me. That was a shot of the day, 100%.
Yeah, facts.
Imagine winning, bro, after you play 13 on the first 2 on 2 par 3s.
I was thinking I'm gonna actually beat you yesterday after I saw that.
You had a chance.
And then I had to get my ball behind that tree.
Dude, the worst feeling is when you coming up to the 18th and then the clubhouse is all sitting there by the green and now you have to go putt, dude. Oh, that's the worst.
Yeah, you're right there. It's this tee off, bro. I overthink it because I'm like, fuck, now I have to string this thing more. Gotta hit it like this. It goes there. Don't overcook it. Don't undercook it because there's a fucking dam in front of the hole. Like, Yeah. And then on the 9th hole, when you tee back off to the clubhouse, it's over the pond again, and then you have to land on a small green area. I had a nice shot, but it was like 1 meter short, and then hit basically the side of the green, but into the water.
Yeah, the 9th hole was rough.
What? Do not 3-putt at the moment. What does that mean?
One minute until these 30-minute candles close. Looking good on GJ. Gold also looking quite nice here.
Just this morning is flying by. It's already 9:30.
Yeah, it's crazy.
Yes. Yes, Nico, you need to verjaar every day.
You just closed, had me worried for a second there on the 30 minutes. Pulled back nicely. Yeah, if that's the thing, you can just go break the hard, bro. It's done. Break even inbound.
Gold, 30-minute close nicely. So
we 5 pips off, aren't we?
Yeah. 37 pip stops here on gold. Will be triggered in as soon as we break 4-hour candle lows. $30 on gold, coming back up to create a steeper top wick, which is good. We need that. Yeah.
I wanted to ask, sir, do you want to come play this weekend? We're going to go play on a course.
Yeah, I'm nervy.
I'm
Yeah,
going with my dad, so
yeah, I'll let you know.
I'm probably gonna ask Dylan to come, and then me and you, Dylan can go with my dad.
What day are you planning to go? Saturday?
Probably, be when my dad says.
Okay, cool. I'll get back to you.
It's not confirmed yet, but he is keen, so I'm just letting you know this like far in advance.
Okay, cool.
Watch the moment gold comes down and GJ is gonna go up, then we're gonna get both. Well, it's like same time top shit.
Goldie chasing, forming a steeper top wick on the 30. Looks good here for gold. GJ. Looks like we may be breaking previous 15-minute lows, but 30-minute still looks really good here. Just creating a bottom wick.
Ready to stop loss on GJ Con?
66, 180.
Alright.
Con, check that level. 1745. Previous support on gold.
Yeah, there goes GJ, my friend.
1745.
Hey,
Yeah,
GJ.
I can see that. Yeah, GJ looking good, yeah.
GJ is excited.
Got a nice little bottom wick here. Once we break previous 30-minute highs, I'm expecting us to basically mirror this candle right here. And at that point, we'll go break even. Let's go, GJ. Let's go.
Let's go, GJ. Let's go.
Wayne, good you started.
No, Connor, that was all you did. Yeah.
Connor was reading, bro. That's all he was doing, just reading.
Yeah. Dude, reading would be let's go, GJ. Let's go. Connor was like, let's go, GJ. Let's go.
Very casual.
Oh, dude, and this trade actually works out perfect if you think about it, because it's also now broken the high of the previous candle that we entered on the 30.
Yeah.
So, yeah, this gives amazing opportunity to drive up, and then also if it comes back down, gives us a chance to manage risk. So,
Yeah, if it breaks this current 30-minute candle, I reckon that's a very good time to go break even. Because we're now seeing that volume. We don't want to see this candle come back and break this low. The idea here is for us to drive up with pre-London volume and get to break even.
Okay, break even now in the next 5 minutes.
yeah, when I totally agree. Connor legit enticed that whole show. Oh.
Come on, guys. Don't gang up on me.
Like you see, Connor, if I had to read
Oh,
Daniel's
party, Connor?
message.
Yeah?
Yeah?
Oh no, I just heard Connor say, don't gang up on me. I said, who are we fighting?
Jared and Wayne.
Oh, easy
see-
claps.
I had to read Daniel's message, I'd say, "Hey Connor, let's make some money." Not, "Hey Connor, let's make some money." Shush. Oh, okay, I'll stop now.
The man thinks this is idols or something.
You see what you start, Connor?
Yeah,
You see what you
I
start?
see.
Yeah.
We've
If you don't-
got a running competition for class clown. It's between Chad and Jared.
Did you see, you guys? You brought me in like this. It's not like I'm changing. Chad came in all serious, so I think I deserve the title.
I'm Chad was moderator, bro. Chad became a clown real fast.
Yeah. Then he knew he can't get banned, so he's like, "Oh yeah."
Wooden mark.
Wooden mark. Facts.
Yeah, you guys are just hating it. It's because you don't know what real talent
Jared,
is.
Jared, I believe in you, Tommy. Go do real art. I believe in you,
Yeah.
friend. Do real art.
I'd love to see that,
Do you
Jared.
guys remember? Do
Get the
you
one.
remember? Do you remember that guy on Idols that came on? He starts singing. He's like, "Pants on the ground."
No, bro.
Pants on the ground.
I watch Idols. I've never watched Idols. I know what it is, but I've never watched
Bro.
it. Why am I gonna watch a bunch of? No, I'll cringe my puss away, bro. If I have to watch South Africans singing.
No, dude, trust me. Some of those oaks go on with no ability. It's the funniest thing in the
I
world. dude.
watched it once, my friend, and I watched. It was like top 10 or something like that, and then they were singing. They were dog shit. Can you imagine the auditions? Holy fuck! No.
Yeah. GJ is coming up to break-even point. So if you guys are looking to secure, I would say just keep your eye on that. Anybody in chat?
I'm not a clown. I'm an entertainer. Listen to
We had a
it.
minor rejection there.
Pretty hard.
We have London Open in 20 minutes.
Yeah, bro. I just saw gold go to
So-
3. Like 3 ticks. Yeah, imagine.
So if we're not triggered in here in gold, in fact, you know what I'll do right now? 20 minutes to go until London Open. I'm deleting these gold cells. Right, we in GJ bars right now. So let's wait for London Open. See if those gold cells play out. For now, I want to just focus on managing risk here on GJ. Sell stops on gold have been deleted.
You're just being weird, dude.
Super.
Look at the 1 minute at bar coding now. Oh. It's funky.
Order block. I mean, that previous 5 minute was nice.
Yeah. This 5 minute just needs to close with more body, and then I'll have more confidence in the next 5 driving us up to newer highs.
5 seconds.
Ooh. That 5 seconds came to fuck us over real hard.
It's not too bad.
Nah, it flipped and came back. Did you see that? Oh, that was weird. 5 minute close decent for us. Week 4.
Big full.
Just an idea. What about managing risk when we break 5 minute high? Like managing, like closing something, just because London's coming up, or do you want to keep until break even?
That is a very good idea, because I'm thinking to manage before London Open, even if we don't get to break even. So if we break previous 5 minute highs, I'm expecting to see volume. So I'm going to go break even once we break above these highs here.
Maybe close out half, and then leave the stops the way they are. Also an option. What?
Could work here, because obviously London
Oh,
Open's gonna form a bottom wick.
Gold cells just got triggered because I didn't delete mine yet. So.
Are you joking?
Fuck. Yeah, no, I deleted one of them. I left the other one, the smaller second entry, but it just went off now. I got a fraud, bro, because I was watching GJ and then all of a sudden another trade popped up.
Watch gold be the move.
I'm also in gold cells there. I kept my order for that one.
Well, I think we might hit thingy, break even. Connor, what is your break even now? What is your entry and what is your break even on GJ? Just so I can.
Entry I got triggered in at 506.
Like 506, and what would your break even be now for your stop loss?
Trading view, my break even is.
Wait, oh, fuck, Jesus. Okay,
What are
my
you
break
talking
even.
about, Nico?
So when you say you're going break even, so you're moving your stops to break even, right?
Mm.
Now, if your entry is 506, what would your stop be? 506 as well.
506, yeah.
Oh, so you put it, okay, because it's coming down, correct?
Yeah.
But if we were going up, you'd put it up by like maybe like 2.
Yeah.
Okay.
I deleted gold sell stops, but very nice move down so far.
So Nico, I've got my entry on gold at 43.6. I'm gonna take full at 1740, and my stop is at 1745.8.
Jesus, bro, you know how identical our trade is actually. What was your TP?
My TP is 1740. It's about 35 pips.
Listen to mine. Yeah. Entry is 43.68. Okay, stop loss is 45.9. TP is 40.
Yes, yeah.
That's like
Wednesdays.
Oh, Jared, you need to take your tablets or something, my friend.
I'm so concerned, yeah.
Look at DJ, bro. Fuck me, back up there now.
Gold just had to do that to me.
What did gold go up until? 42. What's that low there? 42, 40.
42.38. So mine went down to.
Yeah.
You know, I was giving it some thought, and even if people don't like the way that we trade, they think we absolute dog shit, then they can just take the opposite trades. So I mean, everybody should be on that.
Yeah, technically everyone should be on. But if you know you don't know what you say.
We are back at break even here on GJ, or back under entries. 15 minutes about to close.
Are you still in GJ, Connor?
Yep.
How?
What do you mean how?
I got. You didn't move to break even?
No, it never got to break even.
Oh, it never broke 5.5?
No.
Oh, fuck, bro. I moved to break even because I thought you said you moved.
Nope.
Fuck me.
15 minutes. Not the best closure, but if we've got volume here, we could potentially fill this wick. I don't like the 5 minutes. We are just retesting this previous resistance area on the lower time frame. Can see some reactions here.
Oh, that's unlucky for me now. Now we have a SMC boy in here again. SMC. Okay, Basil, I'll put my TP at 1736 just because you say so, so I'll believe in that.
Gold. 1736.
Yeah, I think he's basing it off that wick that formed on the other candle on the left.
I say 1735.
Or the bottom of that candle.
No, I think we're looking at something different. I was looking further to the left. GJ. Gotta be joking, man. So the order I delete runs down so nicely to break even. And I'm stuck in fucking GJ.
Yeah, it's really my birthday, bro.
What is your break even on gold?
But yo, bro, to be honest with you, I'm gonna hold full position for like hope because of the move that's to the left on the 1 hour because of that clean traffic. So I believe if it's gonna start running, it's gonna fucking run.
And yours, Connor, what was your initial break even point on gold?
42.
42. I'm gonna say for myself, just to keep you updated on that one, I'm gonna have 1740 as my target for this morning. Reason being, to the left, it's a pretty decent area. And then if we can break out of the support which we have, close below, come down, create another support, then I'm gonna look to hold further down. I just want this level of support to be broken, closed, to retest it, and then start pushing. So that's the reason I'm not gonna have those runners, Nico.
Yeah, no, I feel makes sense. I do just think hopefully if we can close down here, that London's gonna drive us down. If it's gonna drive us up, it's gonna be pretty shit because it's gonna hit stop straight away. But if it continues down while London comes into play, then I do think we can have a run go. So, the only reason I'm gonna come.
Yeah, managing risk before London Open is quite important.
Yeah.
You know, stops at break even or something. You could always get another entry.
If we could have like an intra-session runner, then I'd be more comfortable holding. But I mean, it's London Open.
So you do something even before London Open?
Something like that. It would be nice. I at least want to take something off the table before London Open. So I'm currently 9 pips up. 9 to 10 pips. I mean, if we can push another 10 pips, then, you know, maybe I'll even just close half just before London Open and just see where that takes me.
If we can get under 42, I'll move to break even. If we can get under 42 comfortably, like spread gets under 42 too, then no way.
If 42 gets under 2-2.
Yeah, but if spread gets under 42, no way.
Yeah, no, I get you. I'm just raving.
Are we jumping today, Connor? Are we jumping today, Connor? Are you muted? Is he here?
Oh yeah, sorry, I'm muted. Nah, I'm not gymming today.
Oh, go on.
My neck is sore. I don't know why, dude. I think I slept funny.
Alright, come here, I can fix your neck, my friend.
It's like... You're gonna make it worse.
I promise you I won't, my friend. Savage Gang is present. Who the fuck's a Savage Gang?
Is this the real Dr. Dollar? Look, gold. I really don't want to. It hurts.
Well, if it is a... You can't impersonate a doctor, so it has to be the real Dr. Dollar.
Oh, fuck.
That's unethical, isn't it?
Yeah. I don't want to, it hurts.
Nah, this has to happen on Monday morning.
Shit. But I do think gold's looking to come back now for London Open.
Yeah, like I say, I think there'll be more options for entries here. You might see as we close on this candle, we'll have a wick to fill, and then London Open we could drive up, grab some more liquidity, and then potential entries there on the next hourly candle.
Everything came close to your break even, yeah?
No, I moved this break even point lower. I initially had break even at 166,700, and then as we formed this high at 166.
No, I'm talking about
620.
gold.
Oh, yeah, gold.
No, yeah.
Once we printed this high, I said, okay, if we come back up and break this high, I'll go break even there.
Yeah, I saw, yeah. To be honest, I thought it did break, and I thought you said you moved to break even. That is what I moved to break even. I closed out half when it was a little bit up, and then because you said, okay, we're gonna go to break even. So I closed out half, and then I just moved to break even, and then I saw gold most was in, so then I went over to gold, and by the time I came back, I was out the trade. So,
I think you were distracted, maybe.
Gold messed with my head, bro, because it just popped up. I didn't even know the sell stop was in there. Because when your trade's in, it doesn't show your sell stop.
Yeah.
So I just got triggered in, and then yeah.
We've got 6 minutes left until this hourly candle closes. 30 minutes is bearish. Hourly still looks alright here. Nice, strong, bullish hourly candle closure. If we close like that, I would obviously like to see the 30 close bullish.
Connor, I'm put my fan on. Tell me if you hear anything.
Okay.
Listen to DJ. I need surgery. Can you please put money in my hands? To Dr. Bob.
Dr. Dollar actually came in here the one day and donated.
Hi, Bob. Okay.
I don't know, he just did. It was the first day, the same day Luke donated.
That's fine. Who's Dr. Dollar?
I think he has a stream as well.
And who's Black Eagle?
Don't know.
I want to tell you something about. Okay, you know that person that was in school with you that does this?
Oh yeah.
Can I say something about him? That's not good.
Nah.
I'm not. Well, we haven't said his name. So.
Nah.
Okay.
Talk later. Final TP 167,350.
I just had to take a phone call, but I'm back now.
Oh yeah.
Is that what you wanted to say, Nico? Really?
Yeah, bro. Just a look.
Wait, what is this, Nico?
Nah, stupid shit.
Can't you afford it to you?
Let's go.
I don't know. It's nothing. Wait, I'll have to forward it to you. Okay, well, I can do that.
Yeah, looks like we may come up at London, grab some liquidity, and get a wick full. What's up? Is there a reason for preferring RC as your broker? It's just a very reliable broker. Been around for a long time. I know people have used them. But I'm actually giving Dominion markets a shot as well. It's also blueberry markets. If you're trading gold, 0 commission on gold for blueberry markets. I quite like the idea of Dominion markets. They have like an incentive program. Commissions are a little bit lower than, or basically half of RC markets. So yeah, I'm giving them a shot.
Fuck, Jared, I can't, dude, because his name's not his name on fucking Instagram, so I can't find him now.
I get you.
Maybe he blocked you, dude, because you're always hating.
Yeah, listen, Connor, I'm sorry, but I just don't like people. They looked at you funny, my friend. They can't be looking at you funny and think, I'm gonna do that.
Don't be ridiculous.
Don't be ridiculous, my friend. We'll ask questions later, not now. And RC markets also has low spreads on the dollar pairs.
Would you say trading psychology is a practical thing? Well, obviously your psychology will improve through actual execution. You know, you need to gain some experience to understand yourself and how you react in the markets, what triggers your emotions. So I suppose you could say it's a practical thing.
Well, no, I'll just get in here quickly with Jared. Jared, what you wanna do, my friend? There's 2 minutes left and we're sitting at a pretty decent place now.
We were looking quite good here for a second, but your 15 and 30 minutes have come back, flip bearish. We're about to close and have London open now in 36 seconds. I would really like to see us close bullish on the 30 minute. That will support our idea of filling this wick, getting to break even, and potentially securing some profit. Ooh, gold. Anyone in gold. I'll definitely be at break even. Jared says RIP in the chat for me.
I'm just trading it.
Nah, I need it.
It's coming back. I don't want to push more.
Moving up
No,
nicely on GJ. No bottom wick. But if we can get to break even, then that's fine.
It is such a big level on gold. I wouldn't just expect 100% running through. You know, it may take a couple candles at London Open. So if it does come back, as I said, I'd rather just close 50% instead of strangling the trade. You get what I'm saying?
My broker actually has a slight bottom wick, and as we break that previous high, I'm gonna go break even. Okay, so stop side break even here, risk-free trade on GJ, and I'm gonna secure 50% here. It's a Monday, so let's just play it safe. Securing 50% at about 13 pips or so. And then we got some nice runners. You know what, to who asked, is psychology a practical thing? I would say, yeah, definitely. Understanding yourself in trading is very important. Alright, most days I would have probably given this a little bit more of a chance before securing 50%. I would have probably waited to get to 166, 700 at least. But I've had this beautiful idea on gold. I had these sell stops set, deleted them, they ran so nicely, and you know what, I am slightly annoyed. It's human nature, but I know that I need to be disciplined. I know that now this setup is not really lining up too great for me. We have closed below support. If you get a nice stop wick, come break the lows. There's entry ideas here, but you know, that discipline is what's gonna make or break my success. So I've had one trade here today. I'm in profit. If I secure profit, rather than walking out with a break-even trade, I know that I'm going to feel a lot better at the end of the day. And I'm going to be happy to not take any more trades. Yeah, Fabio. But you held the GJ last week, Friday. So yeah, nice little trade here on GJ. Guys, if you're interested in SMC or ICT, go and have a look at my YouTube video I just posted on technical analysis. Alright, it's got nothing to do with SMC or ICT, but I want you guys to just see it from a different perspective. Alright. Really no like beef or anything, but you SMC guys do come in here a lot and are trading against the overall direction of the market. You know, for instance, today, bars on GJ. Alright, to me it made a lot of sense. This is what price is telling me, bars. Friday, same story. Alright, this move up was called. Trades were executed. I didn't manage them as well as I maybe could have. But guys walked away with a nice profit there on Friday. And there were guys with the SMC guys coming in saying sells. So I want you guys to just have a look at it from a different perspective. Alright. You guys generally come in here trading against the trend. And that video that I posted yesterday is quite insightful. SMC isn't wrong. The guys who don't know how to use it properly or wrong. Yeah, that could be the case. But I mean, there's a guy here today saying sells. There was some sort of SMC confirmation for sells. I'm telling you, just zoom out, get a build a story, alright, with multiple time frames. Understand what's going on the higher time frame. Build confluence in your trades. You can't just say, oh, wow, there's an order block here, I'm gonna sell. This order block means nothing in the grand scheme of things. Gold coming up, creating a top wick here on the hourly. I believe if you re-break these lows here on gold, we should run quite nicely. Like I say, not hating on SMC. If it works, it works. Seriously, if it works, it works. But you guys always come in here trading against the market. I'm telling you, just look at things from a different perspective. And yeah, maybe it's not SMC, or maybe it's you guys just don't know how to use it. I don't know, maybe it works. I think even if you do SMC, that video I posted yesterday will be helpful to you. Alright, GJ starting to retrace a little bit. I'm gonna take off another 25%. No, you know what? I'm gonna leave it to resistance here, to 166, 980. Well, I'll take off another 25%. So I'm just letting this GJ trade run. Closed 50% already.
Just as well to touch on that psychology. Psychology is everything when it comes to actually trading. Because if you think about it, Connor could have easily FOMO'd into that gold sell once he deleted his order, been in dip drawdown now, sold at 42. And then as well with GJ, he followed his analysis to the T in the sense of GJ came up, it wasn't where he wanted it, so he didn't go break even. Came back down to break even. He could have just been like, okay, screw this, I'm gonna close this trade, go into gold. But he held the analysis. If candles started printing bearish and they're breaking lows, he would have managed his risk. But he followed all the rules with a good psychology behind him to let this trade run, and now almost up 20 pips. So the psychology is a huge difference between us both taking the same trade, you losing money, me making money, and somebody else blowing their account. So it all comes down to how you're going to handle it, because we've all been there, when we've been in a trade. Like right now, easily I could go and close my gold trade, be like, oh, screw gold, it's not doing what I wanted. But it hasn't given me reason to close a trade yet. So if it comes back to entry, I'm going to close a little bit of the position, maybe 50%. So if it does go and hit stop loss, cool, I lost less than I planned to. But if it goes down to take profit, take your profit. So psychology is the biggest reason, and we could take the exact same trades, but you end up losing money, I end up making money. It's just all about how you handle it, and that comes from psychology.
Yeah, that's so true.
And I mean, we're not just saying that, we're showing it like live on stream. So I think it's probably the biggest aspect of trading.
Yeah, I like that, shedding light on the fact that two people could take the same trade, one could win, one could lose, purely based on their psychology. That's a very important thing to realize. If you guys are constantly feel like you're trying to chase, you're struggling to find consistency, you guys need to journal, because that's how you're going to learn more about yourself, learn more about your trading strategy and how to optimize it. Journaling is really, really important and helpful in developing consistency when it comes to your strategy and your own psychology. Because you can go about it completely oblivious to how the market is affecting your emotions. If you're never learning from it, learning your triggers, you're going to have a very hard time, and you're always going to be all over the place when it comes to emotions. Tapping into that previous 4-hour resistance level, I'll actually close another 25% here. So closing a little bit more of my position at 30 pips on the dot. And the rest of my position I'll leave to run to 167.350. Gold looks really good to drive down here. I'm gonna do sell stops on the break of this current candle low. Although actually, let's wait. This 15-minute candle is about to close, so no sell stops here just yet. But you do have a nice top wick on the hourly, retesting this previous support area. Break of these lows, I believe we should push to 1740, 700. Which is about 10 pips, go break even there. And then, like I say, this traffic to the left, most recent price action is very clean, so we could get a really, really nice move here. But since I've already taken a trade today, if I do get involved in sell stops here, I'll manage risk quite aggressively.
How do you close some positions, please?
Right, so I'm gonna have sell stops here, 1741, 700 on gold. On my broker, it's a little bit lower than that. 62, 41, 620. Stops above the current hourly for about 28 pips. How do you close partials? So when you're going to close positions, you'll see at the top of your screen the lot size, and then just adjust that lot size and close half. So if you have one lot, just type in 0,50. Okay, triggered in here on gold. Sell stops have been activated. Stops above the previous hourly at 17.44.500. Break even point is about 10 pips away. Got a nice little push there. TP 17.35.
So you've obviously been triggered in on gold.
Yep, I'm in.
And your break-even point 1740.7.
Yeah.
Jeez, dude, if you win this one as well, I'm gonna be like, ha.
What's the break-even point on gold?
1740.7 is where Con's got his break-even point. I'm still gonna keep mine at 1740 flat.
You got your break-even point at 17.40 flat.
Well, my take profit point, that's where I'm gonna get
My
out
TP.
for this morning. But if I were to hold the intercession, I would go break even at that point as well. But I don't think I'm gonna hold the intercession.
The idea behind the gold trade, as shown on the breakdowns, I am looking for sells this week. Sells below 17.47 is what I was looking at. We broke below that level. I was looking at impulse entries earlier on the break of 4-hour lows, missed that, and we've now closed below this most recent support with London open volume. So we came up, created a steeper top wick on the current hourly candle, and then we came back down, rebroke the lows, and that's where I got triggered in. Stops actually should be above previous 30. Yeah, I would have preferred my stops above the previous 30-minute candle. Didn't really think about that. But yeah, previous 30 is a slightly more logical stop.
I think you can move stop to previous 30, but let's go see if 15 holds a place to manage risk, and then if we do come back up, we can manage risk instead of taking.
Yeah, I'm gonna move my stops here to above the previous 30-minute candle. This is where stops should have been initially. 17.46. So if we break this current 30-minute high, we can manage risk right there.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
default being stubborn right now because I mean it's such clean traffic to the side of it. I thought it would run by now, especially after it broke 41. Ugh, when it got too close to breaking 41, I thought it was gonna run through that.
Might need a little bit more of a catalyst to actually fill this whole range to the left here. But we have had some more hawkish sentiment coming from the Fed. So we can see that gold strength coming back in, sorry, dollar strength coming back into the picture. CPR, that previous CPR sentiment being faded out. Once again turning bearish on gold. GJ running really nicely here. Up about 40 pips.
Yeah, I'm gutted about GJ, bro. That's a cuck one for me.
At least you got gold. If we break this low now that we just created, we really should see a push. If not, then we clearly just don't have enough volume, and we might see some pullbacks a bit later in the day. But let's see, 10 pips to our break-even point. I think that's very realistic. This whole big range to the left. Maybe we just gradually fill this throughout this week, or price waits for some of these red folders later on in the week. FOMC meeting minutes. We are at entries here on gold. If you don't like the trade and are happy with the GJ bars, now is time to get out. But I'm holding here for now. If our 30-minute candle closes bullish, I'll manage risk here. As long as we're respecting this previous support level, we should be good to drive down. But yeah, I already had one nice trade here today, still running.
Chef Luke says, can you please give a big shout out? Happy birthday to Nico. I couldn't make it to stream. He's busy at work.
Hey yo.
Thanks, Chef Luke.
Oh yeah, I'll tell him you said thanks.
What a lad.
Top G energy.
You see old Top G's back on Twitter?
Oh yeah, I do.
Yes, yeah. They even gave Donald Trump his Twitter account back.
That's good.
Oh,
Let's see.
Final
Everybody-
TP on GJ. 167,350.
I see you have 1 million followers in 24 hours, Andrew Toad.
It's mad. Yeah, it's South Africa's top G. Tyron Williams. What's up?
The fuck is Tyron Williams?
It's one of our mates in real life.
Oh, I was like, what? Yes, had me in the first half there.
I'm teasing, Joe. We don't know who that is, dude.
I went to school with him. He's my mate.
Oh no, man. Fuck.
Yeah, you're a monkey.
Yeah,
Don't really like this 15-man flipping bullish. TBH. Although my broker looks like the 15 actually never had a top wick, so maybe we're creating that top wick. What trades am I in? Gold sells here, and I've got a runner on GJ. GJ, just keep in mind, this is a very strong resistance at 166,950. So you do want to be aware that we could reject this area. I've secured some profit here. Stop start break even. So I'm happy to let this run. But obviously take responsibility for your own trades. So like I say, be aware we could reject this area.
But I think for all the kids at the back that I want to highlight, take responsibility for your own trades.
Yeah, very important. At the end of the day, you know, I'm trying to provide as much value as I can, but this is educational. You know, you guys can take these trades if you want, but you need to be thinking for yourself as well. So the nice thing about a live stream is, you know, I found consistency in my trading. I want to share what I've learned, what I've found helps me, but at the end of the day, you guys need to develop independence and become your own traders and see what works for you. So take some of the principles you learn here, alright, but take responsibility for your own trades. If you don't like the trade, like earlier on, gold was sitting back at entries. I said if you guys don't like the trade, feel free to close out right here. If you didn't like the trade, you actually shouldn't have taken it from the start.
And if you
30
think,
minutes, no top wick. Yeah, Jared?
if you think we roast traders, just buy when we sell and sell when we buy.
Yeah, when you have a stop order, you can set a limit order.
Yeah, pretty much. Yeah, but I think I'm gonna be off for the morning. I've got a couple things to do today. So shot for stream. Happy birthday to Nico once again. Hope it's an awesome day, and I'll check you guys tomorrow.
Okay,
Sure,
cheers,
sure.
Jared.
Yeah, cheers,
Check
boys.
in.
Bye.
$15 closure was not bad. Alright, arguably you created support here at 17.42.580 and we closed below that support on the 15 with a wick to fill. See, this bullish candle basically created a support right here and then we've closed below. So yeah, in terms of managing risk here, if we do break previous 30-minute highs, alright, we may want to manage risk at that point. Break even point is 17.47.20. Guys, just give me 2 minutes. I'll be right back, okay? I have to go. Everything is on screen here as I would manage risk. Alright. We've created, like I say, previous 15 on my broker at no top wick. So it looks like we could be just creating that top wick for that previous candle. Coming back, flipping bearish on the 15 and 30. So let's see if we can drive down now. If we break previous 30-minute lows, we'll be looking really good and we should get to our break even in no time. Alright, I'll be right back. Looking really good, yeah. 5 minutes. Closed. Ooh, 5 minute closed, no bottom wick.
Nah, broker has bottom wick, dude.
Yeah, I thought so. Yeah, it does.
The current candle has no bottom wick, so if it comes back and flips, then it's gonna break a low and flip, so it might be a nice confirmation.
Are you on YouTube in the chat?
Yeah, well,
Can't you delete that, Mr. KX? Alsjeblieft. Short.
yeah, we break the 5 minute low.
Must be a bot or something.
We're into entries. Yeah, we're on entry now.
Yeah, GJ having some reactions here to 166.950.
Still up there though.
Yeah, it's still up there.
Yeah, I gutted that I'm not in that trade. I only got like $8 off that trade, bro, because of the break even.
Fuck. Can gold just break previous 30-minute lows and run like 50 pips?
Yeah. Okay. Gone. Imagine, bro. Imagine life could be that good right now. Bro, I'm telling you, dude, I'm going now. If that happens now, if we get 35 pips from here, I'm gone.
Come on,
We're gonna
gold.
We're gonna go
It's
do some.
Nico's birthday. Give him a birthday present. Just a young 50 pips wrapped up in, like, with a bow and everything. Nice and easy.
What is the low on this candle, dude? Well, I can't get it on my phone. It's annoying.
The what?
The low on this candle. What's the low on this candle? Is it 41.1?
41.1, yeah.
Young 50 pips. Imagine. Asking Google for something. No, it never works. Justin,
Justin, shut up.
we don't come ask you. It's just.
Yeah, he's right though. He has a point.
Yeah.
Right. Closing full. Jokes. We need to break these previous 30-minute lows.
I don't know what Justin says. I don't know what you're talking about.
You deleted his message.
Put him in timeout too. He's on a 5-minute ban. No, Chad, you're not doing your job. Don't come here. You're playing Rust again. Not doing your job here. Yes. What moderator are you?
Playing Rust while Oaks are spamming signals here.
Ew, nah.
Shaker.
You need to get maybe a new moderator. Take his title away. MetaTrader 5.
Yeah, MetaTrader 5. Break the lows. Break the lows. 50 pips. 50 pips.
Five minutes in, yeah? Oh. Yo, 5 months in the close. Very nice, bro.
So you just have to be nice with gold. Gotta ask nicely, smile.
Yeah, I got so bored. What's my life?
I forgot to say please.
Yeah, let's see.
Please, gold, sir.
Possibly.
It would be nice, eh?
Yeah, imagine. Is that TP on 50 pips? No, it's not. It's lower, isn't it?
It's a little bit more than 50. I think it's 67. Maybe we should make it 69.
Fucking bored, Connor.
Just hit the fucking TP already. I'm starting to get hungry.
Connor, you know I'm stupid as fuck, dude. I should have given you your shake yesterday.
No, I was actually thinking about it and then I forgot to even mention it.
My mother's like, why didn't you give Connor his like top of weight? I was like, fuck. And then yeah. Is this the low? It's getting broken, Connor.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
I want to see the candle run, and all I want to imagine is a super fucking limiting on its turbo pulling away. That's of course gold's candle must go down now.
It
That's
must,
all
it must slip my TP by 40 pips.
Yeah,
Give me my
sucks.
40 pips back from CPR the other day.
Jesus, imagine you get a piece of 40 pips. Yeah, big. Cock happy. Best broker in the world. Get stuff on stop loss. Cock is broker.
Yeah, looks like we just broke that low.
Pausing down there.
Okay.
But it's 4 pips off break even for you, isn't it?
Yeah, it's really close.
Oh.
Okay, chat. I'm about to go break even here. Any second.
That's a break even there. Isn't it?
Alright. Risk-free trade. Stop side break even.
Connor,
Yeah.
seeing that being a risk-free trade and all that, take me off stream quick. I want to talk to you.
Break even hit, chat. Okay, chat. Break even was hit here for me. Gave this trade plenty of chance. Not saying it can't run down, still looks pretty good. But I'm managing risk aggressively here, as I've already had a really nice trade on GJ. Gold just didn't want to give me that push. Just tapped me out of break even. And you know, that's just the way things go. Pretty happy with today. So that's me. 2 trades, 1 win, 1 break even. And yeah, I will see you tomorrow, guys. Tomorrow.
Shout for the wishes. Appreciate it.
We got CPR for the yen tomorrow. That should be interesting. Alright. Cheers, chat. Take it easy. One last birthday spam for Mr. Nico.
Shout appreciate it. Shout. Happy birthday, monkey.
Okay, cheers, guys.
Shout.